Welcome to Session 8, Ratios, Unit Rates, and Proportions. Ratios compare quantities multiplicatively. Rates compare quantities with different units, and unit rates describe the amount for one unit. Proportions are equations stating that two ratios are equal, but they should preserve the meaning and order of the quantities. By the end, you will be able to do the following. Write and simplify ratios without reversing their order. Calculate and interpret unit rates. Solve proportions using scaling or cross products. 3 ideas organize the lesson. First, a ratio compares quantities in a stated order. A unit rate expresses the comparison per one unit. A proportion equates two ratios that describe the same relationship. Work, example 1. Simplify the ratio 18 to 24. Divide both terms by their greatest common factor, 6. The ratio becomes 3 to 4. Check. Scaling 3 to 4 by 6 rebuilds 18 to 24. Worked example 2. Solve 5/8 equals x over 40. Cross products give 8x equals 200. Divide by 8 to get x equals 25. Check. 25/40 simplifies by 5 to 5/8. Worked example 3. A car travels 180 miles in 3 hours. Divide both quantities by 3 to find the distance for 1 hour. The unit rate is 60 miles per hour. Check. 3 hours at 60 miles per hour gives 180 miles. Watch for this common error, cross-multiplying ratios whose units or order do not match. Correction. Write both ratios in the same order and label every unit first. Use this routine, name the target and units, choose a relationship, calculate with clear steps, then estimate and verify. Label the comparison, reduce to one unit or scale an equivalent ratio, solve, and check that both the value and compound unit answer the question. For more lessons and focused practice, visit bridge2exam.com.